Hello friends, welcome to my channel to watch more innovative videos on machine learning using Python. As we have gone through few videos on Seaborn library. Today's video is enhancement of previous videos of Seaborn library. Today I am going to perform face recognition using Seaborn. I will explain about the video in brief. Face recognition performed in the kernel can access under global recognition approach. In analytical approach, the distance of determined feature points and angles between them, shape of facial feature or variable containing the regional feature are obtained from face image. Analytical methods examine face recognition in two different ways according to pattern and geometrical properties. So let us go through the program in detail. I am going to perform face recognition using Seaborn library. This is all about the program. Inputting required library, loading the dataset, verifying the dataset are loaded or not, then showing the distinct images of the people, 40 people from the dataset. Remember that this is the dataset of OLIVETTI. I am using this dataset for this using Seaborn library, displaying the data from this dataset using Seaborn library. Then 14 distinct people images are displayed, and at the last show 10 faces images of selected target. For graph, I will be back with more videos on Seaborn library in my upcoming videos. So let us go through the program in detail. I will execute the program now. Yes, 40 images of distinct people have been displayed and it is recognized using Seaborn. Now, yes, 10 selected faces images of selected target. So, for graph, please watch my upcoming videos of Seaborn. So, I will minimize this image. Okay, so I have successfully done with face recognition using Seaborn. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more videos on Node.js, Python, PHP, many more, C++. Thanks for watching.